make sure we have everybody accounted for.
Once the fire is under control, the scene is safe for paramedics to begin working. With so many victims, prioritizing who needs help first is crucial. The triage process is lifelike thanks to the committed role play by those acting as victims. Firefighters shift roles to help treat patients as well, getting them loaded onto ambulances as the urgency of their wounds requires. From there, the injured passengers were carted off to one of 3 area hospitals. The paramedics continued treatment while transporting the patients. At the hospitals, nurses and doctors had already set up emergency response areas after getting word of the plane crash. Here, the triage process continues as the medical teams decide who is a priority for treatment and potential surgery.
Help! Help! Help!
Meanwhile, back at the airport, the medical examiner's office is surveying the scene of the accident, putting together
cut off, cut off, cut off.